Hello, good morning. I think today is Wednesday, though I don't think you're seeing this till next week. Happy Wednesday. Good morning. It is 7:55. I'm leaving the gym. I thought that we could film a fun little spend the day with me. We like those. I just posted a longer vlog, if that's more your thing, but let's do a little day in the life. So gym, I need to run to Publix. I am completely out of lemon waters, and y'all know how much I thrive on the lemon waters. And then this afternoon, I have an appointment we'll go to. We'll cook dinner together. Also, a portion of this video is in partnership with SOJOS sunglasses. So a little bit later today, I'll show you those. I was hoping that it would be a little bit more sunny. Like you can see the dark clouds, but also it is what it is. I think it's supposed to rain today. So I'll show you some sunnies. We'll talk all about that when we get there. But first, Publix. I think me and the workers are the only ones at the Publix this morning. I think I'm also gonna grab something for supper. So don't let me forget that. Let's do chicken breast if they have it. Oh no, I like this bear chicken, but all I see are drumsticks and chicken thighs. Okay, what is happening, Publix? That's the brand that I want. So maybe we do salmon instead. I've never tried this Farmer Focus. This is usually where the chicken is that I want. Farmer Focus, organic and free range, boneless, skinless chicken breast. That's heavy. Okay, we're just gonna do salmon, I think. Let's get Brian a sweet potato. We'll take, which one looks good to y'all? Maybe this one? Yeah. Okay, sweet potato for Brian. Maybe some asparagus to go with our salmon. I like this Publix, yeah. Publix brand, like the thicker asparagus. No salmon yet. This is typically where it is. So let's go back to the meat over here and see if maybe we can just figure out something else. Maybe we'll try this Springer brand, Springer and Mountain Farms. That's a lot of chicken. All right, we're gonna get this. Since we're getting chicken, let's grab, there's like a little pack. It says air fryer chicken, and it makes the chicken so good. I don't see it. It's typically right here. Maybe this is typically where it is, but it's this brand, I thought. Oh no. That makes all the difference because I want to put the chicken in the air fryer. I think I'm going to try this. It's not the air fryer little pack that I normally find, but this does talk about air frying on the back, so I think we'll do that. Waters, y'all already know the lemon is my absolute favorite. There's only one lemon down there, so we're also going to get a kiwi strawberry. Last thing on the list, I need wood wipes and then maybe like a carpet powdery type cleaner. Remember last week I talked about that Zep cleaner that we couldn't find? I got it on Amazon. Showed up in like a day. So let's see if they have the wood cleaner. What else did I say? A carpet deodorizer. Wood wipes sold. Maybe we'll do this Pet Fresh down here. Carpet odor eliminator. Yeah, we'll get this little powdery bit. We do have this, where is it? This Resolve right here that works really good. Y'all, I stopped to get a Diet Coke from Chick-fil-A. I was in the like curbside pickup, and so she brings it out to me and she's like, here you go. And I was like, thank you so much. And she was like, enjoy it. And I said, you too. So there's that. All right, before we head to my appointment, let's do a little SOJOS Sunnies try on. If you're not familiar, SOJOS does incredible sunglasses. Actually, this pair right here, y'all went insane. Like went absolutely insane for it. But look how cute they are. So I do have a discount code with SOJOS, by the way. It is Taren Denise. I will link it here. I will list it down below. Shout out to SOJOS for partnering with me on this portion of the video. I also tried, I think it was the last time I showed y'all some new sunglasses. It was a partnership that SOJOS did with Bayleaf Activewear, and that activewear, it's nice. I'll link that one down below if y'all want to watch it. All right. We have 4 pairs of sunglasses today. I say it a lot. I'll say it again. I am a big frame kind of person. However, I've had a lot of fun branching out into new styles. Oh, also, so you can get them on Amazon. They're all linked in my Amazon storefront, but they're doing, I think it's like 40%, up to 40%, something crazy like that for Prime Day. So now could be the time to grab some if you want to. First pair we have, very similar to the mirrored frames that I just showed you that y'all really liked. But if you're looking more for like an aviator style, like look at that with the gold detail, the clear little rubber part that goes around your ear. Okay, wait. No words, okay? I love these. Also, they give you a little polarized card so that you can see. Oh, you're not going to be able to see because they're mirrored. But basically, there's no words on here until you put them in front of the sunglasses, and then you can see the SOJOS logo. Okay, I'm leaving these out. I mean, it's not sunny, but they kind of, it's like a vibe with my outfit. Pair number 2. Ooh, wait, these look super cute too. I did pick these all out, okay? Like, I knew what they looked like before I ordered them, but it's still fun, like, you know, to open them up. These are gold and black. They look like an aviator style. Yep, they sure are. So if you don't want them mirrored, then these are a little bit like thicker on the side with the black rubber, but they have the double detail on them. Here they are next to these. They're very similar. I'd say the black lenses are a little more square. Okay, very cute, very cute. I think I'm still going with the mirrored ones, are my favorites so far. I just love that style, and I think apparently I really liked the mirrored style. Also, how many times do I even need to say that animal print is a thing for me? I love it. I've loved it my entire, like, since I've been posting videos on YouTube. These are gonna be so cute. A more square detail, definitely mirrored. You can see yourself right there with the thicker, like, tortoise detail. Ooh, these are nice. Okay, see, if I'm ordering sunglasses, I tend to gravitate toward this style. The larger frames, this like thicker side, the animal print or tortoise, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Last but certainly not least, let's see what we were feeling the day that we picked these out. I remember these. I might be most excited for these. Just wait. They're a pink, clearish frame. Stop. Look at this. Okay, they're not really blocking any sun. Well, actually, okay, a little bit. Okay, I'm very happy with these. The larger frame, the skinnier side. These are a pink clear, but the lens is slightly blue. Ooh, okay. See, I like this style versus the metal if I want to like hold my hair back. The metal ones, my hair will kind of get stuck in, but okay. Just to recap, number 4, number 3, number 2, and number 1. Which is your favorite? I'm gonna go with these. It's the mirror. Like, I'm into this right now. They're all linked down below. Thank you to SOJOS for partnering with me, letting me pick some sunglasses. These are so cute, like so summery. All right, let's head to my appointment. Here's what we're doing. I am going to meet a new hairstylist. Nikki, that's been doing my hair for years, we know. She is moving. She's opening her own salon, but it's in Mississippi. I'm just gonna look around and see some people that were recommended to me that do hair and that come highly recommended, basically. So we're gonna go meet someone today. I will not be taking you in with me. I cannot. Like, what am I gonna tell that girl? Hey, can I video you looking at my hair? No, we're not doing that. But it's downtown, and I know where the salon is because we go eat at Ruby Slipper Cafe, and it's across the street from that, and it's super cute over there. So let's head downtown. I need to get my rain jacket out of the car, do this appointment. I put together an album in my phone so that I could show her the different hair colors and styles, really colors that I like, including pictures of my own hair. I always do that. My own hair, the color that I want, the length that I like it, so that it's an inspo pic, but it's a very realistic inspo pic. So let's go do that. And hopefully we like her. Hello, welcome back. You are attached to the microwave right now. I put one of those bubbly suction cup thingies on the back of my phone. That is so nice. I'm just back in my lounge clothes. All right, first, let me start the oven. I'm gonna make that sweet potato for Brian. He should be getting off soon. It's like 5:10. Let's talk about the hair salon. I really liked her. The location we already knew was cute. I liked her work from Instagram. I showed her some pictures. I'll put the pictures here, or maybe I'll find the TikTok and put it here. The main one that I liked is not of me though. Like I mentioned, I did show her some pictures of me and my hair so that she can get an idea. So here's the deal. I always like to meet people first, or I like to try before they do my hair. I want to know how much it's going to cost because I have a lot of hair. So say somebody's website says we charge $200 for highlights. That doesn't always apply to me because I have probably double the amount of hair. So she charges per hour no matter what you do. But again, I have a lot of hair, so it's going to be super pricey. At this point, I don't know. I feel like she also doesn't have an opening until the end of August. It's just getting so expensive. I understand it's luxury. People can charge a lot of money, a little bit of money. You know what I'm saying? I haven't had bleach on my hair since March or April at this point. So I was looking to get in like this month. So I don't know. That's the deal with the hair. I don't know. But there's the update. So let's cook Brian's sweet potato. Sweet potato's ready to go. Let's empty the dishwasher. Cash. Absolutely not. All right, now let's marinate the chicken. Remember, this is the seasoning we bought. Grill Mates 15-minute marinade mix, zesty herb. It does have, oh, it's just vegetables. I thought it was steak on there. So it says whisk marinade, oil, water, and vinegar in a bowl. Reserve 2 tablespoons marinade for basting. Place meat and remaining marinade in resealable bag. Refrigerate 15 minutes or longer. We're just gonna do water. We might do a little bit of oil, I guess, but I don't have a big Ziploc bag, so I'm just gonna do it in 3 small ones. The oven is ready. Let me put the sweet potato in. We'll do a little bit of oil each because we are also going to put some water in there. But you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, the oil might be fine. Marinade. This looks very similar look-wise to the air fryer one. And that makes such a good little crust on the chicken. So hopefully this one will do the same. I put some water in this measuring cup. We're gonna do a little bit of water, and then we'll just mix it all up. I do have a little bit of marinade left that I can divvy in between the 3 of these, so we could do that as well. All right, chicken's in the air fryer. That's the second round. I already flipped it, so that's 3 minutes out, unless it needs to go a little bit longer, but 3 minutes out. And I just put the asparagus on the stove. Here is supper for me. I put ketchup in this little thing before I looked at the chicken, but I don't think I'm gonna need it because look how good that looks. Brian's chicken is a little more crisp, but that's how he likes it, and he's gonna have his sweet potato. Now you're sticking on the mirror in the bathroom. Let's wrap this video up. I'm gonna wash my face, like take this makeup off. I use the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and then this CeraVe Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser Face Wash. This, I wash my face twice after taking my makeup off, and then we will do skincare. All right, face is clean. Should I turn that light on? Is that kind of creepy? We're going in with peel pads. I alternate between peel pads and prescription tretinoin every other night. These are from Soleil Med Spa. Soleil Skin Therapy is what they call their skincare line, where I go and get microneedling, things like that. It's not available to buy online yet. It is coming soon. So I just take 1 pad, start on the cheeks. These are glycolic 15% renewal pill pads. Wash my hands, and I'm gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes. How do I feel about this light? Is that better? My shirt is soaking wet. It's okay though. All right, let's do this. These are lactic acid drops. All my skincare, with the exception of the few things I showed you, and my moisturizer is from Soleil Med Spa. So we'll do this. This, she said you're supposed to start here. This is real runny on your little lines, yours, mine, little lines, and sort of fan out. In total, I think I'm using 2 or 3 drops. This feels so good too after those peel pads. because they're kind of tingly, but they call them spicy. Everything I do to my face happens to my neck and my chest as well. Then we have the HA, which is hyaluronic acid intense youth eye serum. This is the teeniest amount right here. And I'll also put it here. The lighting in here is not the best. While we let those settle in, I figured I would tell you what book I'm reading. Right now I'm on chapter 12 of Smoky Darling, book 1 of the Darling series, page 58 of 282. I like that one. So far, again, I'm on chapter 12. Looks like I've read something called Unholy Vows. Guess I liked it because I read it. Last thing on the list, CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. Okay, there's a different angle so you can see my face. It'll be red for a little while. I have skin, like if you touch it, it's going to turn red, even if it's just your finger on your face. So the redness will go down. But I hope you enjoyed this day in the life. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to check out the SOJOS Sunnies. They are all linked down below. They're also in my Amazon storefront. Don't forget the discount code, Taren Denise. And that's it. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all. Okay, it's the next day. I felt like I needed to give my skin a little, let me show you, okay? Because I've been working really hard to clear it up, and that lighting last night was not it. So this is what it looks like in natural lighting. No makeup, just skincare with sunblock. Listen, that light did me dirty. And like I said, I've been working on this. So anyway, here we go. I'm actually sitting outside of a separate hair consultation somewhere else other than where I went yesterday with y'all, but anyway, there we go. Okay, bye.